Ang ibibigay ni Gerald, no? Sa kaibigan.
Okay?
Ayan. Ganyan kalaki dapat.
Oo, siya nung subo na si Mikey.
Bigyan mo lang ng
Oo,
icing.
yung subo na hindi makakabilao. Siya,
Ayan. Kailangan malaki kasi dyan na lang ibigay ko pamahal partner.
ganun ba yun?
Oo, fertility yan eh.
Oo, parang hindi naman. Alam ko malaki-malaki.
Oo nga.
Baka naman operating lumang diretso. Ayan, maliit lang.
Ayan, kasi nasa bunga ni Gerald. Gusto niya.
Ayan, bakit hindi sa amin platito rin? Napok-laki naman to.
Ayan, pwede niya. Okay.
Okay, palakpak naman! Palakpakan! And now we'll go ahead to the one toasting. But before that, of course, we would like to call on two most important people in the life of our newlywed. Of course, they are the people we choose to witness the perfect life that goes within them. They are the brides, they are the best man and the maid of honor. So may we call on the maid of honor. Yeah, tawagin natin to join them in the wine toasting. Rose Ann Larga and of course the best man, Jason Fajardo. Ayan. Ayan. Brother mo ba si Jason, Gerald? Ayan. So, ayan, kunin niyo po yung mga wine nyo. But before that, of course, tingnan natin sila ng malikli na mensahe for the newlywed.
Ayun, para sa inyong dalawa, congratulations sa best wishes. Sana hindi lang taon yung binibilang, kundi pati anak. Yun lang.
Let's hear from our maid of honor.
Ayan, para po sa mga, para kay Gerald at Maylene, sana tumagal kayo at magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak. Sana, hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Sana po, mahalin niyo ang isa't isa at tumagal pa kayo. Best wishes na lang.
To our newlywed, ayan, lahat po na kahit ano pong laman ng baso, ayan, pakihawakan po. Let's have a cheer ceremony with our newlywed. Everybody hold your glasses. Let's have a cheers for our newlywed. Cheers! Cheers to Gerald and Maylene. Best wishes to our newlywed. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan. Alright, so hindi ata makatig ni Maylene ang lasa ng ating
Oo,
ano ba
sabi
ito?
ba?
Shock ba ito? Hindi.
Red one. White one yata.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we will go to our garden tossing. So, yeah. Gerald, kung parang ata ubusin ni Gerald, okay na. Gusto na ata mag-blessing. Okay, so, this time, kukunin na po ni Gerald ang garter sa binti ng ating bride. So, ibabalik po natin yung mga bangko sa unahan.
Ano partner?
Okay? So this time, Gerald, kukunin mo yung garter, not using your hand, but your teeth. Okay lang ba yun?
Pakiluhod na kaunti.
So luluhod ka at papasok ka sa loob ng gown
Aha.
because you're not using your hands. Instead, you'll be using your teeth. Okay?
Okay, ready? Pasok na.
Alright.
Mapapasok ko rin yan. Mamaya.
Oo. Okay, Gerald. Ayan. Luhod.
Duhod.
Luhod. Ayan.
Aha.
Ayan. Pull the garter down. Use your teeth.
Ising your teeth.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay,
Ayan.
wow. Ang galing naman. Ang daya, ang daya.
Kaya, hindi ako na ba?
Okay, so this time, tawagin natin yung mga abay ng latte, boys.
Boys, hali na kayo. At syempre yung mga binata pa dyan.
Boys. O anybody na binata na gusto makasal? Okay, boys, come over here.
Ayun,
Boys.
guys, tayo partner. Hey, Joe. Let's go here.
Ayan.
Binata pa?
Are you still single? Are you still single? Okay, I'm single too.
She's single too.
Okay, okay,
Very much available.
I'm taken. Take it for granted. Over here, over here.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Abang na ba ito?
Okay.
Okay ba?
Are you taken?
Taken already.
Taken already. Okay. So So this is the game. Gerald will pass the garter and you will pass it to the next. And whoever stop hold the garter, when the music stops, he will own the garter. Okay? Okay, so,
Tumutulo ang ilong ni Ice.
okay, so music please.
Okay, ready.
Pass the garter.
Go. DJ.
Ayan. It's a DJ. Okay, meron tayong
Wait.
break. Oo, kasi napaka-usually pinapasa-pasa ng normal. So, please fall in line.
Ang polinay na ba kaya?
Dito ka kuya. Okay.
Pangatagal ni Auntie Direk.
Para wala yung yung best man. Yung best man.
Asa yung best man? So talaga?
Ikaw talaga sumusimple ka, ha?
Kanina gusto mo maraming anak kayo?
Oo. Yan. So you will pass under here.
Aha.
Hindi lang ako mag-English.
Hindi ako naman yan.
Oo, tumudugo ang ilong ko. Okay. Is it okay? Okay, pass the garter.
Okay, ready.
Silalim. Abang dito. Abang dito.
Go, go, go.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Ayan, ako sila Jack.
Parang swerte naman yung babae tatanggap ng
Oo nga.
okay.
Ayaw ko magswerte.
Bakit?
Free money.
Ano yung may-ari na yata dyan?
Ano ka na? Okay, girls. Okay, girls, parang nalugi sa tindahan.
Nagkaroon ba?
Ano problema? Parang mga pasyente.
Parang ano, concoloids?
Parang may mga sakit.
Oo, nagkagano kayo.
Okay, we have a game also for the ladies.
Oh, may important din tayo ah.
Ayan, okay, may important here. Kasi wrong never lang explain. Okay, so,
Oh,
kapag
ano yun?
ginamit si Sir Bouquet, pag ginamit si Sir Bouquet ang tendency na iwasan ito kapag ayaw kunin. So we have a short game also.
Wala namang ibang babae.
You will take the flowers over here. At syempre, isa dyan yung pinakamaikling stem. Kung sino makakakuha ng maikling stem, siya makakakuha ng bouquet. Is that clear, girls?
Is that clear?
Okay. So, sabay-sabay.
Ang sabay-sabay.
Hindi pa nyo sa isa.
Dapat yung brain ng pagkano yata.
Ano ka dito?
Ay, hihili ka. Okay, ready. 1, 2, and 3. Ayan, daya. Ito.
Ulit. Ayan. Ito naman kasi maglahi pa. Ito mga dali. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sino? Aito!
Sir,
Sabi ko lang, sabi mo. Ay, ganito yan. Patawagin natin ang groom. Where's the groom? Come over here.
come over here.
So we have a game. This is what we call 3 pieces. Yan, maghahalik po yung ating bride and groom. At kailangan na nakakuha ng bouquet at ng garter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So, face each other.
Kaya niyo sila.
Okay, where's the first kiss? First kiss. Unang halik.
Unang halik.
3 pieces ito. Okay, where's the first kiss? Okay. Sa kiss. Okay. Where's the second kiss? Second kiss.
On the nose.
On the nose. Kiss. Oh, ito mo. Parang ready. Okay, the last kiss.
The last kiss will be on the...
Where's the... On the lips!
5 minutes.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan nyo naman sila.
Palakpakan.
So this time, we would like to call on the parents to give a short message to our newlywed. So let's start with the parents of the bride.
The bride.
Ayan. The
The
parents of the
dancer.
bride.
Nagbigay mo na ng konting mensahe
Oo.
sa kanilang dalawa.
The dancer.
Si Mami na lang.
Si mami na lang daw.